Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by clearing payment blockers and switching on a VPN to the country you want. Once connected, open Google Play and tap your profile icon, then Account. Go straight to Preferences and locate Country and Profiles. You'll see the option linked to the VPN location if eligible. Make sure you have a valid local payment method or address ready. Without it, Google may refuse the switch. Start this step now and don't skip the Payments Profile check because it stops the change. Once your VPN shows the correct country, add a local payment option in Google Payments. Card or address must match that country. After saving, force close and reopen Google Play so it refreshes location data. This is crucial. When Play detects the new payments profile, it will prompt you to switch. Accept that prompt and confirm the new country. Make sure to follow on-screen prompts fully. Incomplete confirmation or mismatched payment details will prevent the change and revert. Finish by confirming the country label under Account and attempting to download an app exclusive to that region. If it installs, you're done. If Play still shows the old country, clear the Play Store cache and data, reboot, and sign back in. Sometimes the app needs a fresh sync. If switching is denied, remember Google allows one change per year, and it can take up to 48 hours to propagate. If problems persist after that, contact Google support with your payments profile details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.